In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files to your Google Drive, a simple yet essential skill for managing and storing your digital work. We'll guide you through this process step by step and ensure you can handle your files with ease. First, you need to open your web browser and navigate to the URL drive.google.com. It's a direct path to accessing your Google Drive. In case you're not already signed in, it will prompt you to log into your Google account. Simply enter your credentials and you'll be greeted with your Drive's main page. Once you're inside your Google account, you can either choose to work within a specific folder or stay in the default My Drive section. If there's a particular folder you'd prefer to organize your files into, go ahead and open that folder now. This will help keep your files organized and easy to locate later on. With your desired location open, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a button labeled New. Clicking on this button will open up a list of options for you to choose from. From the list that appears, select File Upload. This option allows you to transfer files from your device to the cloud, freeing up space on your hard drive and making your files accessible from anywhere. Once you've selected File Upload, you'll need to choose the file you want to upload. You can upload various types of files, whether it be a PDF, video, document, image, or even a zip file. Simply navigate through your device's File Explorer to find the file you need and double-click it or select Open to begin the upload process. Keep an eye on the bottom right corner of your screen. This is where an upload status box will appear. It helps you track the upload progress and lets you know when the file has been fully uploaded. This is especially valuable if you're dealing with large files or a slow internet connection, as uploading might take a few moments. And there you have it. Once the upload is complete, your file is successfully saved in your Google Drive and can be accessed from anywhere with an internet connection. It's that simple. This process not only helps in keeping your files safe, but also makes collaborating with others a breeze, since you can easily share links to these files instead of emailing huge attachments. Practice this a few times and soon it will become second nature. It's all about creating a seamless experience in your digital world. Happy uploading and stay organized.